episode 6 here, guys. Russ and Caleb Harris. Caleb's still chasing the 1,000 elusive views to get his GoPro, so he reckons this video might top him over. So we'll do a run through of the build of this car, what's going on, a couple of changes it's had over its time, and yeah, see what you think of it. We'll start up the front here. We've got a PWR, triple pass radiator, keeps everything cool. We've got a big and ugly. The bigger the uglier the better. With 671, it's mechanical injected now. It used to be air fire. Each their own, which is better. This way's a bit more angrier. All that feeding a Northvic Dart LS Next 427 with all the good gear inside. Makes a little bit of power. In the comfort zone, we've got some VE HSV seats. Keep things nice and cruisy. We've got a few gauges for some odds and ends. I'm not quite sure what they actually do. They do move around sometimes they don't. All powered by a MSD ignition system and Pro Ratchet, of course. Rolling on a set of 28.5, 2012 Boyde Coddington Dictators. We don't rev this thing that hard, so we've got a 2.9 diff gear power in it, which gets the job done. In the boot, we've got a 60 litre fuel cell, a Magna fuel pump, an Optima battery, and a bit of melted carpet. Not quite sure how that happened yet, must do some investigating. So let's take a look underneath. So we've got a VY Commodore upgraded brake kit, just drilled and slotted rotor, Rodshop hub adapter, just a basic setup, something to get it started. Next along, behind the Northvic 427, we've got an ATS Glide. Nice little bit of gear, that one. Not a great expense. Holds up to the power, no worries. We've got a Duggan balancing 2-piece shaft, F250 center bearing. Now these things here are shaft catchers. We run one at the front, one at the rear. I've had shafts go through the floor before, so haven't had to use them yet, but yeah, they're a good, nice jigger. And it's just a basic 4-link bogie. Nothing too flash under here. Got a couple of coilovers there. I think they're possibly out of a motorbike or something like that. Like I said, it's a basic setup.